Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again, and in this video we are going to be doing a speed test comparison between Honor 8X and Mi A1. Now Mi A1 has a Snapdragon 625, just keep in mind that, but it is actually a really fast phone, even though it's a 1-year-old phone, but still I feel it is a really fast phone, or maybe more than 1 year. But anyways, let's start with the boot up test. And Honor 8X obviously has a new chip, Honor 710, that is just proving to be decent speed wise. So yeah, let's get it straight in the boot up test. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And guys, if you end up liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. And subscribe if you're not. Let's see. Now Mi A1 is really fast to boot up, so let's see. It's Android 1 phone. And I have to say this Honor 8X is at least making look Mi A1 really ugly. Okay, yes, Mi A1 faster, but not a huge difference. And guys, everything is closed. Obviously both have 4 gigs of RAM. So let's start. Phone dialer faster on Honor 8X. Calendar faster on 8X once again. Settings, okay, this is faster on Mi A1. Camera again faster on, a little bit faster on Mi A1. Chrome, so again a little faster on Mi A1. Let's try by opening some social apps. Let's get straight into it. First app will be Pinterest. And okay, it's faster on Mi A1. Twitter, okay, again faster on Mi A1. Snapchat, okay, I think that was really similar. Facebook, faster on Honor 8X. Let's open Instagram. Okay, so again faster on Mi A1. Now let's try by opening some games. We have every type of game. Let's start with the Flappy Bird. And this is okay, this is way faster on Mi A1. Motor Traffic Racer. Okay, so again looks like Mi A1 is a little bit ahead. And okay, yes, it is faster on Mi A1. Honor 8X also done. Smash it. Let's see what happens here. And this time it's faster on Honor 8X. Let's open Subway Surfers. And a little battery warning. And okay, so this time again Honor 8X faster, so Honor 8X with a comeback, whereas Mi A1 is taking a little bit of time here. But anyways, let's move on to the final game, that is GTA San Andreas. Here we go. Let's see which phone wins this one. And this time it's looking like Mi A1 is just a little bit faster. And let's see. Yes, it is a little bit faster on Mi A1. So let's quickly jump onto the shopping section and connect it to the same Wi-Fi network, guys. Amazon. Okay, so open on 8X, and I think it will be loaded on Honor 8X as well. So yes, it has loaded as well. Let's open Flipkart. Okay, so open on Honor 8X once again. Banggood. Okay, this time it's open on Mi A1, but let's see which one loads it first. And okay, both from taking some time, but it's actually loaded on Mi A1. So let's move on, a little bit of delay on Honor 8X. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. Snapchat refreshed on 8X. Instagram again refreshed on 8X. Motor Traffic Racer again refreshed on Honor 8X. Don't know what's wrong with 8X. Subway Surfers, okay, in the RAM. Flappy Bird again refreshed on Honor 8X. GTA San Andreas again, once again it is refreshed on Honor 8X, so something is really wrong. Smash Hit again refreshed on Honor 8X. Amazon again refreshed on Honor 8X. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I have to say Mi A1 is a really fast phone, even though I've been using this phone for a year or even more. And this may be because of the regular update these phones get. And yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.